GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Get up to 10% instant cashback offer on Vivo V30e. Pre-book now.
Hey, Hira Mandi. See again, Hira Mandi. Oh yeah, my God. Hira Mandi is everywhere.
Yeah.
Do you like driving in Bombay?
Not at all. I'm a very, very good driver. The funny bit is they gave me a nicer car.
Okay.
It was an accent,
Okay.
I think. And at that point, I was like, नहीं मुझे ये गाड़ी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे छोटी गाड़ी चाहिए. Once I think you turn 23, 24
Yeah.
in this country, the people start talking
Talking
about
about it.
it. You know, and then you have to keep listening to it until you actually do get married, which is
Exactly.
so annoying for anyone.
Yeah.
But there are definitely a lot of options right
Yeah.
now. I mean, freezing your eggs is one, adopting
Yeah.
is one. And I feel like your whole life, such a big decision of your life can't be based on the fact that,
People are,
you know,
yeah.
no, that
Then-
I have to have kids. Huma is there.
Yeah.
Of course, Saqib, Zahir. You know, these are the people who I'm really, really close to. I have an amazing friendship with Akshay sir,
Yeah.
with Salman. So even when I did do Dabang with the Salman, it was because I've known him as my dad's friend's son, you know.
Yeah.
So that comfort was always there. I've come to terms with it. I
Mhm.
don't like the invasion of privacy. I don't
Yeah.
like paps following my car everywhere.
Yeah.
But they do it. अगर देख लिया तो वो आते ही
हाँ.
हैं.
Hello everyone, I'm Rashita Sahani and welcome to Galata India's brand new show Drive Through, where we take your favorite celebrities on a memorable drive in and around Mumbai. Now everything we do here at Galata India, we put a lot of heart and soul into it, so this show is not going to be anything that you have watched before. How do I even introduce my first guest for Drive Through? Not only she is one of the most relatable actresses that we have today, but someone who's extremely real and I love her so much. So let's go find out who she is. Welcome to Drive Through, Sonakshi.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for doing it. I wanted to do this for so long, so now I'll just go ahead and do it.
I know our interview has been long pending actually.
It has been. And I remember when we met for like The Hard, it was one nice interview. It was one of my like most amazing conversations.
Yeah, great. I'm glad.
Yeah. So Salam, Farida Napa.
Adab.
You're looking also like in your character, and I just wrapped up watching Hira Mandi on Sunday.
हाँ.
And oh my God, I was so into that world. If you come to our office, I'm not kidding, Nayan has also watched it. हम सिर्फ ना हीरा मंडी लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं. वो मुझे और मेरी एक कलीग को सत्तो और फत्तो बुलाता रहता है पूरा टाइम. And that is what we have come down to. And we are like totally in that zone. And that's what the show has done to us and everyone.
Superb.
But you tell me, to be a part of Sanjay Leela Bhansali's world, how was that for you?
It was unreal, unbelievable. Firstly, you're right. The world that he creates is just something out of your dreams, you know.
Correct.
And once you step into that set, you're like completely transformed. You're not yourself anymore. You become the character you're supposed to be. I became Faridan.
Yeah.
Once the hair, makeup, costume, you walk into the set, there was a complete change. So I think that's the magic of Mr. Bhansali, and I really enjoyed playing a character like this for the first time, I think, in my career. And
Correct.
it was too fun. It was good to be bad.
Yeah. No, actually your character could be easily one of those ones जिसको हम ऐसे देख के ना थोड़ा hate करे, but towards the end I think that changes.
Yeah.
Because then of course whatever happens I don't want to reveal, but when I looked at you, one thing was constantly playing in my head, that this is something that we were wanting to watch you in, this role, this character, this get up, this acting, everything. Do you feel the same way about it?
Absolutely. I think it's one of the kind of roles that I think I was also probably waiting for.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to do something with a slight negative shade and, something to do different.
Correct.
Matlab, till when are you going to be the girl next door, the good wife, and, Miss Goody Two Shoes? You have to keep trying different things to like keep yourself also excited about what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
So I think I was really waiting for this, and I'm really thankful to Sanjay sir that he imagined me in this role. He trusted me with this role. It's not an easy character to play.
Yeah.
She's a very layered, very complicated human being.
Huh.
and you know these so-called bad emotions like hatred, anger, rage, all of that. The beauty of Sanjay Leela Bhansali is that he justifies that.
That,
even, you know.
yeah.
She's not bad just for the sake of being bad.
it, correct.
She has a reason. She
Huh.
has her own backstory. She's been through a terrible traumatic childhood, which
Yeah.
is why she's, you know, acting out in the way that she is right
Yes,
now,
yeah.
and she's out to get revenge. So I love the way that, you know, everything is justified. It's not just for the sake of it.
But how was it on set? Because 6 women, and a lot of times filmmakers talk about कि भाई मतलब सारी अगर actresses होती है तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है handle करना और काम करना, because there's just too much fun. How was it here? Because I think थोड़ा different होगा since the subject and the show was also a little heavy.
No, it was actually beautiful. It's been one of my best working experiences in terms of with my co-actors. We were all very supportive of each other. We were all there for each other. It's a very tough shoot,
Yeah.
you know, in terms of what it demands from you as an actor for
Correct.
each and every one of us.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we all understood that we're all coming together for one man's vision, and nothing above that. So you know,
I'm sure.
everything was put aside. We were all very, very happy to work with each other and contribute to that vision. So I really enjoyed. I mean, I'm so happy to have worked with such talented women.
Yeah.
And you know, you learn from them. When you're in the same frame as them, you strive to be better because they're so good.
Correct.
You know, it was just really nice. It was a lovely experience.
I'm sure, क्योंकि वो देख के ही समझ आ रहा था कि interviews और promotions के time भी that there was this, you know, chemistry between all of you. But
Yeah.
who did you vibe the most with?
I think I had the most scenes with Manisha ji.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think she's someone, you know, we've looked up to. She's got
Correct.
such a vast and amazing body of work.
Yeah.
She's such a fine actress. Oh my God, it was unreal. I love her so much, like in person,
Yeah.
that after I saw Hira Mandi, I went to her, I hugged her. I was like,
Wow.
how have we done this? Oh my God,
Yeah.
meri ye majal kahan se aayi? It was so nice. And when you have that, you know, sort of an actor who's just, you can bounce back from, and
Correct.
you know, the energies are good, and they are giving you so much in the front. It's not like, you know, you're just facing a wall and you have to do everything on your own. They're just so giving, and I really enjoyed working with her. Aditi and me are very, very good friends,
Yeah.
and we became better friends while shooting for this. I really enjoyed working with her. Richa is someone who I didn't have any scenes with. And I told her, I was like, you know, she's such a fine actor.
Yeah.
I would love to work with her.
Correct.
Sanjeeda's a darling. I mean, like, we got along so well, and I love that crazy streak in her character as well. So yeah, I think we all really just like had a great time.
Yeah, I think every character was very well written, and today when you get this response, like whoever I'm talking to genuinely is everyone saying just good things about the show. Is it becoming like overwhelming, or did you like expect it?
No, it's really overwhelming. I did expect people to like it because, of course, I've seen the kind of hard work and effort and Sir's vision.
Yeah.
I knew they would like it, but the kind of response we've been getting is insane. Like, this is truly for the first time I'm thinking that, you know, we've really gone global. Like, I'm getting messages from all over the world.
Correct.
And that's amazing. So yeah, it's very overwhelming.
Amazing. But 2 more, you know, such projects for you, and I wish and pray to just keep watching you more frequently now.
Thank you.
But tell me something, you are born and bred here in Bombay.
Yeah.
What are your like most nicest of memories? Was it before you became an actor or now?
I mean, this city is special. It's a vibe, you know. And I've had my beautiful college days over here, and like I've grown up over here. School, I used to love going to school.
Yeah.
All my friends, mostly all my friends are from here. So I can't really pick and choose. I mean, that phase of life was also really amazing.
Yeah.
And so is this actually. So
Lovely.
yeah.
What about your first car? When was it that you bought it?
My first car was when I was 18 years old. My parents had always promised me that they would gift me a car for my 18th birthday.
Oh wow.
And the funny bit is they gave me a like a nicer car.
Okay.
It was an Accent,
Okay.
I think. And at that point, I was like, "नहीं, मुझे ये गाड़ी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे छोटी गाड़ी चाहिए." So I fought, and I said, "नहीं, मुझे Santro चाहिए."
Wow. Who would do that?
Yeah. So I think it was very funny. I find that, but I really loved my car. It was nice, compact. It was cute to like pick up 3 of my friends and take them to college
Yeah.
with me. Yeah, I miss that car actually. I souped it up and all. I
Yeah.
put like woofers and I had like put that one putty in the middle. You know,
Wow.
it was a black color car with a white
Yeah.
putty in the middle, so it was very unique. I really love that car. Hey, Hira Mandi.
Oh yeah, you know I did this with Richa last
Yeah.
week, and we just got out of the location, and there was this big Hira Mandi poster.
It's
And
all over.
Yeah, it's all over. One
It's
second, I'm a
crazy.
little confused. It's showing niche se.
Niche, are you sure?
Ha.
How can you tell?
Because there is a difference, na. This grey one is upar.
Ah, okay.
But you know, do you like driving in Bombay?
Not at all. I'm a very, very good driver,
Yeah.
but I think in the last 15 years since I actually started acting,
Yeah.
I've driven like 4 or 5 times.
Really?
I can't deal with the traffic anymore.
Yeah, it's insane.
You know, and I obviously I do my own driving in my films
Yeah.
and all, but that's about it. I can't. It's too hectic. I get road rage.
Oh my God! Have you
I-
gotten
I
into
get-
like a fight or something?
No,
ever?
but I get really pissed off. I don't think that can be good for me.
No, yeah. Same. I'll be like, "Arey, kya kar-" And then you know when I get back to my senses, I'm like, how am I
Yeah, I'm
talking
like,
like
why am I behaving like this?
Yeah, it's so weird.
like a different person comes out.
Yeah, I know. I feel
Yeah.
you so much. But do you like going on drives, or like have you done like romantic drives earlier in college or somewhere?
Not so much. I mean, where can you really go in this traffic? I don't think that's the
Yeah.
best, most nicely suited date idea to do in Bombay.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
But you know, I was watching a recent podcast of yours where you were talking about how you are now in love and in relationship, and I am someone who is maybe past you. You told me, you told the person that you know I was very anxious earlier, and now
Yeah.
I have gotten very secure.
See again, Hiramandi.
Oh yeah, my God, Hira Mandi is everywhere.
Yeah.
But tell me, how did that change happen, and give me like a big sis advice on love, because aaj ki generation mein love is just so confusing for all of us.
It's gradually it happens. I think it happens over time. Once
Yeah.
you get more comfortable with just being by yourself, being comfortable in your own skin, being happy in general.
Yeah.
You know, not basing your happiness on one person or expecting only that one person to make you happy.
Yeah.
I think it just happens gradually. So, you know, and everybody has their own journey, right?
Mm-hmm.
Everybody comes to that point at different stages, at different points in their life. So it's better not to rush it. I guess you just have to keep working on yourself and,
Yeah.
and trying to kind of come to a place where the small things make you happy.
Yeah, definitely. I feel it's always the small things, but we sometimes end up like complicating love so much
Yeah.
that we're like, okay, now I don't want to do this, like that zone comes in. But I'm sure, no, I get what you're saying. But what about do you keep hearing these things in your surrounding that you know shadi is important and you should get married? Are there people, I'm sure your family, they wouldn't say that?
My family's actually been very lovely about it. I mean,
Yeah.
they see me happy, they see me, working.
Yeah.
They see me independent and like doing exactly what it is that I want to do, and there's that, been no pressure from them. So,
Wow.
but I'm a very rare case. I've
You
seen
are.
it happen with all my friends.
Yeah.
I see it happen with my colleagues, all the time. Like this is constant pressure, and once I think you turn 23, 24
Yeah.
in this country, people start talking
Talking
about
about it.
it. And then you have to keep listening to it until you actually do get married, which is
Exactly.
so annoying for anyone.
Yeah, and if you decide not to get married,
Yeah.
that's a different
Yeah.
struggle.
And the best part with me is like my parents are so chill about it. Everybody else is very more concerned about it.
Yeah, I know. But
How
is
did anyone
that a
do
side you want to explore in the near future?
What side? Get married?
Getting married and just,
Absolutely. I think that, but you can't force it, right?
of
It has
course
to happen
you can't.
at the right time when you're
Yeah.
ready for it, when you're ready to kind of, take a step with the right person and you want to spend the rest of your life with them. I think that's when it happens. And like I said, everybody has their own journey, and
Yeah.
when the time is right, that's when you should do it.
Yeah, you know, today I feel like even in my family, so my family is the most chilled out Punjabi family. They don't care. Ki, theek hai, I have an elder sister who's like 30 and its age is just a number for literally for our family. But my mom sometimes comes and tells in a practical manner that theek hai, shadi wadi is fine, but I want grandkids. And you know, medically also then she starts saying, okay, after 35 it's difficult, blah blah blah. And I'm like, arey, but it's fine. I mean, there are so many options. And then my sister told her about, you know, the entire freezing of eggs and this concept, and this was alien to her, but then she understood. What do you think about that? Because recently even Ronald spoke about it, that, you know, I'll just go and get it done if I ever feel like time's short and, you know, people are rushing me into it.
There are definitely a lot of options right now. I mean, freezing your eggs is one, adopting is one, and I feel like your whole life, such a big decision of your life can't be based on the fact that
people are,
you know, no, that
then,
I have to have kids. I mean, if you really want kids, there are ways to get it done. But like, you know, you can't base such a big and important decision of your life just on that one factor. So yeah, I think it's amazing. Technological advancements, medicinal advancements. There are a lot of options for women today, really. Just to take the pressure off. I feel.
I think people really today get angry because, see, I'm 26 and I know that maybe in the near future I would, but right now I'm at the stage that I don't want kids. I just feel that I am not capable enough to take care of a kid, and my mom has been such a lovely mother. I think I will be nothing like her,
but
and I don't want.
You're also very young. You have a long time to make that decision.
But right now, as of now, if someone asks me, I'll be like, no, and then I get so much hate for it. Like, literally, people just slam me that you are selfish, you don't want to take responsibility. And I'm like,
how is that anybody's business? Just don't listen to them.
I know. I'm like, theek hai yaar, aap apna karo, meko apna karne do.
Block.
But you know, Sona, you are one of the most, say, coolest and real.
Careful.
Yeah. Did I just? No, everyone's going, but
no, I think you just broke a signal.
It's fine. You know, with Richa also we broke a signal, and she was like, "Abhi ये shoot बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा तुम्हें." I'm like, ठीक है, कोई नहीं. But yeah, मेरे को ना ऐसा लगता है यार, बॉलीवुड में या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक्टर्स बहुत cool नहीं होते इतने. Like you meet them and you don't feel that connection, or you don't feel very relatable. But you are actually asli, Sona. That name suits you. Have you always been this carefree?
Yeah, I think so. Because I think of it as काम ही तो कर रहे हैं ना, सब अपना काम कर रहे हैं, ये भी मेरा काम है.
Correct.
Why does it have to affect me or change me as the person that I have always been?
Yeah.
Right, and I, like you said, I'm a full-on Bombay girl.
Correct.
We you know, used to like stepping out all the time, going out, chilling with friends, all of that. I don't want any of that to change, and I still have my friends from at that point in time.
Wow.
And they really keep me grounded. They keep me, you know, in the real world.
Yeah.
More than anything else, and I enjoy that.
Nice.
Yeah.
But you know, tell me something that you come from a family which is full of, you know, people who are related to the film industry, and of course your father has been a legendary actor. Now he's also a politician, but I kept reading that you have never really used that. Like, मैं अगर होती तो मैं तो ऐसे show off करती स्कूल में जाके. But you once told कि मेरे college वालों को पता ही नहीं था that this is the scene. So you have always had a very normal surrounding, very normal childhood. Do you think that's also a reason why you are this way today?
Could be. No, I feel I am this way today because of my parents' upbringing.
Yeah.
Whatever they did, I feel, you know, they've done right. Maybe बचपन में समझ नहीं आता था if they were, you know, we got told no a lot.
Yeah.
So maybe at that point in time we didn't understand it. A lot of kids get spoiled also.
Yeah.
कि अगर सब चीज हाथ में दे दो. But we got told no a lot, so I understand that now. It's really shaped me into the person that, you know, I am today. I work hard to achieve what I want.
Correct.
I work hard to get the things that I want. So it all comes from the upbringing, I guess, and I truly appreciate it. The way they've really known how to keep their kids grounded. You know, that we are who we are. We've earned our position. It's not for you to exploit.
Correct.
Basically, and I think that's a great way. I hope that. Someday I would be able to do that with my kids as well.
Wow. Yeah. But tell me something, do you also want to someday in the future explore politics?
I don't think I have the aptitude for it
Yeah.
more than anything else. But I would encourage other young people to get into politics, because I think we really need that fresh approach
Yeah.
to our politics, especially in India. But like I've seen my dad do it, right? And he's really into it. Like he's really a people's person. Like the way he does his rallies, he goes like, even now I'm so proud of him. He's been campaigning over there. It's so hot in Asansol,
Yeah.
but he's been at it like from morning to night. He's on his feet, he's out
Yeah.
meeting people, doing his rallies, giving his speeches, and like it's really tough. And I feel like when you're a politician, the key to being a good politician is that you make the people's problems your own,
Wrong. Yeah.
which a lot of people don't do,
Yeah.
and that's why they don't make for good politicians,
Correct.
right? But if you have to do it, and for me especially, if you
Hmm.
have to do something, you have to do it right. Like you should do it to the best
Yeah.
of your ability. But I, in general, am
Huh.
not a very people's person. Like I'm a more
Correct.
private person.
Person. Yeah.
And I know that about me,
Huh.
and I'm very okay with that. So why to just do something just for the sake of it, and just because my
Yeah.
father happens to be doing it?
Correct. No, but do you feel that you have also been like a risk taker when it comes to selecting your projects? Because I remember I became a journalist. Like I always wanted to be a journalist, but then I went and watched your film Noor, okay?
Huh.
And I dragged my mom and brother. We were in Delhi for a
Yeah.
vacation, and I dragged them कि मेरे को देखनी ही है because Sonakshi इसमें एक journalist है.
How
तो
cute.
my and they were so supportive. My mom
Yeah.
was like, हाँ ठीक है अगर तेरे को देखनी है चलो. And then I watched that film and I got more enthusiastic. Oh my God, just look at the ups and downs in her life. I want that and all of that. But I also felt at that point doing a film like Noor was
Yeah.
also something brave, which I don't know if you felt that way. I felt that way when I was in 2017 when I watched it. Do you feel like that about the film trajectory of yours?
I think I made a very conscious switch where I wanted to play very strong female characters. I feel the films I did initially in my career, nobody would have said no to, because they were really big films
Yeah.
and with some really amazing people I got the opportunity to work with, and I did that, and I feel like that really gave me the encouragement and the ability to sort of shoulder films on my own then, right?
Yeah.
So that's when I took that step. I did Akira, I did Noor, I did Shafaqana, all those films where I really enjoyed myself. Like I was the hero of that
Yeah.
film, and that is liberating.
Correct.
Once you do that, you can't go back.
Correct. No, but now can you go back? Or can you balance it?
I need to balance it.
Haan,
I don't
haan.
need to do only one particular kind of thing. I want to be that actor who can fit in any genre, who filmmakers can cast in any role. I
Yeah.
want to be that person, and I feel I've had a very good graph in terms of like the roles that I've selected. They've been very different from each other. Whether it's in the middle of Rowdy Rathod and Dabang, I suddenly went and did a Lutera. With a double XL, right after double XL, I did a Dahad, and right after Dahad, I've done a Hira Mandi.
Correct.
So they've all been very drastically different from each
Different,
other, and that's what keeps me engaged in the whole process. I'm really enjoying playing these different characters, being someone new every day.
Wow. But initially when you were working with Salman or Akshay or Ranveer, all of these people, not Ranveer actually so much, Akshay and
हाँ,
Salman,
वो तो नया था
हाँ,
ना
वो
मेरे
भी तो नए थे, हाँ. And firstly, I have to say this, that Lutera is one of my most favorite films even today. Like I can just
Thank you.
watch it on any given day and just feel the emotions. I
Oh,
don't know, it's
sweet.
that film
Thank
for me.
you.
So even that film, I think when you were doing, people told you ना कि मत
Yeah,
करो ऐसा
everybody
कुछ.
was like, नहीं, ये बहुत ही arty film है, and you have to be a very manjawa actress to pull off a character like that.
Oh,
बस
God.
मैंने बोला अभी बोला ना मुझे, मैं नहीं कर सकती, अब मैं करके दिखाऊंगी.
Yeah.
That was the
Wow.
agenda behind doing Lutera, but no, it was a beautiful role.
Yeah.
I
It
remember,
was,
still
man.
remember when Vikram approached me for it. We had moved here somewhere in Khar only.
Acha.
My building, and because my Ramayan house
Huh.
was under construction.
Okay.
So we had moved over here, and he had come over here to narrate the film to me.
Oh.
And I had just loved it. And the narration,
It
I
is
felt
that
like I was
film.
watching a beautiful film unfold in front of my eyes. It was
Wow.
just so nice.
But but when you were working with the big heroes of then, and you were a new person, was it ever intimidating for you?
It actually wasn't. You know, like I said, I mean, while growing up, we were firstly kept very away from
Exactly.
the whole film world.
Yeah.
And whoever came home, they were very, very big stars and
Hmm.
stuff. But we always saw them as our parents' friends, right?
Yeah.
So, and me, I've not grown up like watching too many movies and
Hmm.
stuff. I was very much into sports. So, मैं हमेशा मतलब खेलती रहती थी.
Huh.
So that fascination was never really there. So
Hmm.
even when I did do Dabang with the Salman, it was because I've known him as my dad's friend's son, you know.
Yeah.
So that comfort was always there.
Hmm.
So yeah, I no, I was not. It was nice actually. It was. I'm lucky, I guess, that way.
You also, you know, got a new house, which is beautiful. I watched the
Thank
video.
you.
And did it feel like when you bought it, like your big girl dream coming true?
Yeah, absolutely. It was. I think that's one of the milestones in my
Yeah.
life. You know, buying your own first house.
Correct.
But yeah, it was definitely something I've always looked up to my dad for, because when he came from Patna to
Huh.
Bombay to become an actor, they used to, you know, be living in PGs
Hmm.
and 5-6 of them all together. Whoever had a house, they would all
Yeah.
crash over there. And then finally, after he started acting, he
Hmm.
bought his first house in Bandstand
Wow.
in Bandra, and that was a 1 BHK, and he still has it. And he's still so
Lovely.
fond of it.
Yeah,
He
of
talks
course,
about
yeah.
it. So I always wanted that one
Ah.
house of my own, which I can tell my kids about and talk about. You know, so
No,
that
yeah.
was why I bought the house.
I think buying a house, like even I want to buy a house in Bombay and I'm not from here. So when you like it's a different dream altogether.
Yeah.
You feel like you have to do it in this lifetime for sure. But you know, you also are into so many things. You are an artist also,
Mhm.
and so easy. You just, you know, a few, I think 2 years back you launched it, or
Yeah,
1 year?
it's been 2.5 years now.
2 years, nice. How is that aspect going? क्योंकि हमेशा ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, actors इतने busy होते हैं कि और कुछ करने का time नहीं मिलता है.
It's been amazing. It's again something so new for me, being an entrepreneur, and I'm learning a lot.
Hmm.
You know, I'm really glad that I got to do this with my business partner Shrishti Rai, and she's all things business. Like, we come from such different backgrounds,
Okay.
but when we come together, we're able
Hmm.
to kind of, you know, create something and push something forward, which is so beautiful, and we both enjoy it.
Yeah.
So it's really nice, and I love how we've grown. Like, I'm the creative side, and she's the
Correct.
entire business side. So when you have that expertise from
Hmm.
two different people who are on the same page and who want to see the product grow
Yeah.
and flourish, I think it's beautiful.
Lovely. But you know, tell me something कि अभी when I talk to you and when I look at you, you are not someone who is very like this person कि you have to be in the media all the time या मेरे
Yeah,
को.
I'm not at all.
But मेरे को बताओ कि how is your relationship with the media, the paps, because I don't see you a lot of times कि आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो कि you know आपकी टीम बोल रही है, because I know your team also कि आओ cover करो and all of that. वो सब नहीं है, which is honestly थोड़ा लॉस भी हो सकता है इस वजह से, जो आपको बोलते
मैं
होंगे
ठीक हूँ
लोग.
भाई. मेरे काम की वजह से जितना मुझे मिलता है टेंशन, मैं उससे बहुत खुश हूँ.
हाँ.
मेरे काम को बोलना चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा मुझे एफर्ट डालना ही नहीं है. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मैं
हाँ.
जहाँ हूँ, जैसे भी आई हूँ, my main focus is my work, basically.
Yeah.
All this is just a byproduct of
Correct.
PR, and everything is just a byproduct of my work. अगर मैं अच्छा काम करूंगी, मेरी PR ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगी.
हो जाएगी. वो तो है.
तो और ये मतलब I've come to terms with it. I don't like the invasion of privacy. I don't
Yeah.
like paps following my car everywhere. But they do it. अगर देख लिया तो वो आते ही हैं.
हाँ. Correct.
But you find your ways to maneuver around it. आप अगर
Yeah.
उनको request कर लो कि भाई आज मत खींचो,
Hmm.
तो they listen to you. They're
Yeah.
nice about it.
They do. They
Because
do.
we all have to, at the end of the day, work in one space, one area, and one industry. So you have to be respectful of each other. If
Yeah.
people want it, that's their call.
Correct.
You know, but if someone doesn't want it, then you have to also respect that.
Yeah.
Right?
But you know, also in this industry, friendships are rare. But I feel agar when you find your person, you just do.
From the film industry, I have Huma is there.
Yeah.
Of course, Saqib, Zahir. You know, these are the people who I'm really, really close to. I have an amazing friendship with Akshay sir,
Yeah.
with Salman.
Huh.
So, and I know like these are the people who, if I call, and they'll always be there for me. You know, so yeah, I think it's been lovely in my journey. I've made some really nice friendships. Yeah.
Nice, nice. But today, when you look back at your journey, you were not even, you didn't even want to be an actor. And look at you today. So, ऐसा, do you feel that जो भी काम अभी तक किया है, that has been just, you know, you wouldn't want to change anything?
I wouldn't want to change a thing. I feel all the stuff I've done, all my experiences, all my mistakes have
Yeah.
made me the person I am today, have made me the actor today, have made me, have got me to where I am today. And I really wouldn't change a thing. Even the so-called mistakes is always something that I've learned from. And I'm probably going to make a few more mistakes in my life in the future as well.
Yeah.
But that's okay, that's life.
I know, I know. What about, how's your relation with, I want to know two things. One is your relationship with money and your relationship with social media.
My relationship with money is very superficial. I make money, but I don't think I really care for it much.
Okay.
It's a byproduct of my job, of course, and
Yeah.
yes, if I believe, you know, for a girl, it's very important to be financially independent.
Yeah.
And in that aspect, I think I'm doing very well.
Correct.
But with social media, I have a love-hate relationship. Like I find that also like too much effort.
Yeah.
But I've kind of come to terms with the fact that I can post when I want to post, what
yeah.
I want to post. I can put out there what I want people to see. And yeah, so I use it like more of a work thing where I'm able to connect with an audience who already loves and appreciates me, and maybe that's why they follow me.
Yeah.
So it's more of a work thing for me.
Lovely. We have,
Yeah.
on that note, we have also reached.
We
This was
have
very, yeah, this is very quick actually. It's here, I think.
Really? Yeah. No, it's
Acha,
here.
this.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
1 second. I'll just park.
We'll have to. Yeah, you just have to squeeze
Yeah,
in here.
yeah,
But that was a fun chat.
yeah. Yeah. What happened?
I
Okay.
think this
I got scared.
lane is a bit.
Thank you so much.
cramped.
I know you were very, very busy today, but thank you for doing this.
Oh, thank you for dropping
yeah.
me from one place to the other.
Yeah, that was a nice idea.
She dropped me to work.
Yeah, I've dropped you to work, but I hope to see you more often and just keep doing the work that you do because everything you do is fab.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Get up to 10% instant cashback offer on Vivo V30e. Pre-book now.